Are you a commissions administrator using Sales Cookie to manage your incentive comp plans? Today I'll show you how to use the built-in AI assistant, a powerful tool that analyzes incentives, responds to questions real time, and is available 24/7. Navigate to the incentives dashboard, click on the blue bubble in the bottom right corner to launch the AI assistant. You'll notice a few suggested prompts. One of my favorites is payouts by rep and plan. The AI assistant is going to crunch through the last 12 months of commission and sales data and show me some results pretty quickly. So it's showing me the commission payout by rep and plan in a summary table, some key observations, as well as in a bar chart format. Next, I'm going to ask, who are my top performers? The AI assistant analyzes 12 months of commission data and highlights the top earners along with their total payouts, and also shares some quick observations. My last prompt for today is going to be, who is struggling? In under a minute, the assistant analyzes the last 12 months of data again and shows me the reps with the lowest payouts along with some recommended next steps. Here's the best part. The AI assistant is available 24/7, responds in real time, and supports multiple languages so global teams can benefit too. That's it. You've just seen how the AI assistant makes incentive analysis faster and easier. Give it a try today and drop us a line at support@salescookie.com with your feedback and questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.